Hi. Uh, in this video, we will look quickly at Azure Fabric. Now, why you should know this? This is latest in the Azure world, in the cloud world. It is very important to understand this product. Azure currently is giving Power BI almost free of cost, but with a clause that the client would buy Fabric. They want a lot of clients to use Fabric. That is their push. They want to make Fabric successful. So let us understand. See, you need to know these four things. Azure has SQL database. It is a relational traditional database. Simple. It is just a database to store data, just like SQL Server, etc. Then there is something called data warehouse. Data warehouse, you can store structured, semi-structured data. Why? You want to create a business intelligence report on top of it, or you want to just analyze it using Power BI or Tableau. So this is optimized for SQL queries. It is not a NoSQL database. Then we have Lakehouse. It is a large scale data set, structured, semi-structured, unstructured. It has a flexibility of data lake and storing capabilities of data warehouse. So it has dual capabilities. Understand this, it has dual capabilities. It works like a data warehouse. You can fire queries and analyze like a data warehouse, and it can store enormous amount of data for big data applications. Then we have Event House for high volume, real time event data. Something like IoT devices sending data every 5 seconds, coming in through Event Hub or Kafka streams. It is for that purpose. Okay, so let us compare this on data volume and supported types of data. We are comparing these four entities. If the data volume is small, right? See, we are doing for small, moderate, and big data. If the data volume is small, SQL database is fantastic. Okay, do not overspend money. Do not tell your client to buy Lakehouse or go on Event House. You don't need those kind of things. You are not going for a Formula One racing, so you don't need Ferrari. Your uh, Maruti Alto will work fine here. If the moderate size data, you have moderate size data, then all four will work fine. Okay, all four. Depending on your need, all four will work fine. If you are getting lot of real time data, you use Event House. But if you are using big data, you have enormous amount of data. Do not, do not, do not go for SQL database at all. Go for large size stores like a data warehouse, like a lake house, like a event house if real time data collection is in scope. Okay, so we have checked on data volumes for small, moderate, and big data volumes. What you should do. Now let us see for supported types of data. Structured data sets, all four will support. Structured is like in a table form, it has fixed number of columns, and you can fire SQL queries. Fantastic. For semi-structured, SQL database does not work, and we should not use. And data warehouse also we should not use because uh, Lakehouse is meant for that. So Lakehouse and Event House, if you are getting Kafka Streams data and if it is JSON and etc. Unstructured data, if you are having unstructured like what? Unstructured like your data in PDF files, in emails, those kind of stuff. So do not use SQL database and data warehouse. That is not the place to go for it. You should go for Lakehouse or Event House if you have real-time requirement. Okay. So in this part, we just tried to cover data fabric. We tried to compare the four elements on different data volumes. and different types of data. Subscribe. This channel is all about helping you with cloud certifications and giving you knowledge tidbits around latest happenings in the cloud world, hybrid cloud world, generative AI, and traditional AI.